welcome back to Binglon's Math Videos. Today, we will test your information from last time. Today, we're doing multiply with arrays. So, the first question is, multiply 4 times 7 is like having 4 rows of dots in each row. How many dots are there? So basically, if you're a technical genius, you already saw this. Oh my gosh. So you, and then you know the answer. But then, some people, they need to know. But in China, people are so smart that they know this in like first grade, but still. Do you know the answer? 4 groups of 7s. You probably know 2 groups of 7, so you can break this into 2 groups. Basically, I'm not supposed to talk about that, but still. 4 times 7. I'll give you, if you want to pause and think, you can pause right now. I'll give you 2 seconds. Okay. If you paused, that was good, and then you took time to think about it. I really recommend you have pause. But right now, I'm going to tell you the answer. 4 times 7 is, drumroll please, 28. So there are 28. I'm going to write the answer right there. So 28. And, yeah. So let's see if we're correct. Yahoo, we're correct. Use the visual to complete the equation. 3 times blank equals. So let's see which side is 3. 1, 2, 3. And then this side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 3 and 6. So which one? We know there are 3, so it's definitely not this side. But the 6, we never have about 6. And then we know the total number is 6. That's like 18, so it must be 6. And this is actually standard division, but you'll learn it in the future. Six. Check. Let's see if we're correct. Yahoo! We're correct. Okay, this is the next question. There are 2 rows of sharks with 9 sharks in each row. How many sharks are there in all? How many sharks are in there in all? So let's write the multiplication equations. And I'm just going to write it since you guys are already masters and I don't need to tell you. So, 9 times 2. And then, I'm going to see, oh, what's 9 times 2? It's 2 9s. Let's see, which one should it be? If you don't know, you can count the number of sharks. I'm going to give you a second to count those sharks if you actually need to. Okay, have you done counting those sharks? If you haven't, I'm going to give you 2 more seconds. Well, this is standard multiplication. Some of you might know, some of you might not. So the answer is 18 sharks. And now, in future lessons, I'm going to talk about division and multiplication and other things. But right now, we're just talking about this. Yay! We're correct. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's see our next question. This is use the array to complete the equation. So how many times 7? I'm not going to count this time since I know you're not kindergartens counting objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then so we're just going to say this. So there are That's 7. And then this is 2. That's 7 and 2. We can know that it's 2 times 7. And then we can know that if you put it up there, there's only one number missing. It's the 2! The 2 is missing. So we need to write that down, right? Okay, let's write it down. 2. Okay, let's check our work. So 2 and 7. If you want to check it by like counting, it's alright too, if you want. I mean, you know, if you're like really wanting it. Okay, let's just see if we're correct. Drumroll, please. Yeah, we're correct. So I think that's all the questions I'm gonna do today. And yeah, see you next time. And but also, you're very good at math. And also, please subscribe. Okay, bye.